heroes and heroines, welcome back to Shiroin. Thank you for all the love that you gave to all my previous video, and I know too much of reaction on my channel, so I thought why not come up with a new interesting video, and that is how to look amazing on daily basis. So let's begin. So it's all about self improvement. Okay, people always keep judging us on the basis that we look, how professional we are, how we talk, how we dress. So you all know that it's really important. And self improvement includes your dressing sense too. So we have seen many people who they are wearing minimal stuff and still look dashing. Okay, so people are always going to see me the way they see me, not the way I see me. This is always going to happen. They will always compare you, how you stand out in the crowd. So looking more polished makes you look more put together. It comes when you are in college or you're finding some kind of job, and it really depends on how the way you talk and how the way you present yourself. This is really important to look good. We all want to look flawless on the daily basis. So we'll find out this with some minimal stuff. First thing you need to follow is always and always wear comfortable clothes. Look for comfortable clothes in which you are comfortable in. Let your body breathe. Okay. So I have some examples of really comfortable bottoms. The first two are denim and the third one is the track pants. Also, if you are on the professional side or finding some kind of job, you can go for this comfy bottoms. Then coming on the upper clothing, you can absolutely go for these beautiful, comfortable, soft clothing. The second tip is your undergarments. Undergarments really matter. We come in different body shapes and sizes. You should know what shape and size will perfectly fit your body well and you get a good shape. If you are uncomfortable to buy it from shops, go to Zomami app, download the app. Be careful while selecting the size. It can be tricky sometimes, but trust me, once you get your perfect size, you'll just go, girl. And the secret tip is always go for padded bras. It will, give you a classy shape. The third thing is wrinkle-free clothing is really important, essential. Whenever you wear a crisp thing, it just makes you feel like you have just rolled out of your bed and did not make any effort to comfort yourself that morning. Okay, wrinkled t-shirts, shirts would really make you look very bad or cheap, so avoid wearing that, like in anything, like if you are in college or any professional thing. So make sure you don't do that. Taking care of skin, nails and hairs, oh my god, that's basic and really important. If you take care of those things, whenever you do that, you will observe whatever you wear, you will just look fabulous in that, just because it gives you an edge that smallest part of your body is being taken care. Hair removals and nail doing thing, I am not telling you to put nail polish or something. Just keep it clean, subtle, and removing your hairs and making your hairs, brushing your hairs daily, and keeping it neat and tidy with a nice clothing. Even little part of your body is essential. So I have some amazing body care products which I have shortlisted and personally used: Mama Earth, Kamas, and Kesar Pack by Jiva Ayurvedic. If in case you aren't interested to use any of these products from here or out of market, you can also go for home DIYs. I have made two videos on it, on vitamin C serum and benefits of it, and also home DIY facial. Learn what makeup suits you. Now, I for a fact know that lipstick flatters my face really well. So, even you should know what things make your skin look or your face look more amazing. No one wears makeup on the daily basis until it's a professional requirement. But you know what? Lipstick is a must. So, I have shortlisted some basic shades of red, browns, and nude. You can absolutely
spray around it, girl.
In a side, take care of your hygiene. Brush daily, shower daily. It will just keep you refreshed and motivated and clean. It's just a inner thing, and that's really basic.
The tip I want to add is always carry perfume, mouth freshener, or mints with you. And I don't think so. I really need to explain this point.
White shoes, they are really classy and they make you look more popping up, and you should know how to take care of them. Like white shoes I'm talking about, those are really trending and it will never go out of trending. Okay, white shoes, black t-shirts, plain t-shirts, white t-shirts, blue jeans and black jeans, denims. These things are never going out of style or out of fashion, so play around with that. Okay, and well, you should know how to take care of your white shoes. I won't be responsible of that because why? Play around with skinny tops, open hair, plain tops, tuck your tops, and clothing that really fits your body and gets a good shape. Okay.
And here are some cool examples.
Invest on a stylish bag. It would make you and your outfit more popping and lightly and stylish. Invest in one bag that flaunts on every outfit of yours.
So basically, I read ideas of really cool and trendy bags. It has casual bags, shoulder bags, office bags, and college bags, of course.
Sunglasses, accessories, and a good scarf. It would really combine well. These things are the basic things that you need. Don't accessorize more. If it's about scarf, if you're wearing a plain top, you just roll it around and wear something minimal kind of things.
So basically, I haven't chosen something really hippie like out of this world. These are some basic sunglasses and some belts that you can wear on the daily basis. Also, if you really don't know about accessories or confused, you can watch my this video. I have suggested some beautiful accessories, and watch link is in the description.
So this video comes to an end. Thank you for watching this video and I hope this really helps to you. Please take care of yourself and we'll meet soon. Oh, don't forget to share, like, subscribe, Sharon.
Calling on Mondays overdue, but I call like that.